In this video, we are going to upload a CSV file from our local drive and then load some data from that file into a schema which we will create in Encorta. So as you can see, we're in the data sources and files section. So first thing, we want to switch over to the data files tab and we want to load some data. So let's select a file to upload from our PC. And so we see our CSV, we have one US states. So let's click on that and then open it up. Alright, file uploaded successfully, great. So we see on the bottom there our US states CSV file. So what we want to do now is create a schema and then put the data we have from the CSV file into that schema. So let's go to the schemas tab, let's add a schema, click create schema, give the schema a title, let's call it US states, because that's the name of our CSV file. Also click done. Let's see, there we go. There is our schema. We need to upload the CSV file, so we click the CSV tab and we find our data file. There it is, usstates.csv. Then we add that, so we click on add. And here we go. So we have some info from our CSV file. We see the label set labels. We see type, and also we can change the names of the label, but we won't do that right now. Well, we will, however, give our table a name. So we'll just call it US States. So this will be the table contained within our schema. It'll be one table for now because we only added one file, but we can create more later if we'd like. So we click done, and here we go. So we have our schema US States, and we have one table in it, also called US states. But as you'll notice, there are 0 rows in the table and therefore 0 rows in the schema. So we want to load some data from our file so we can fill up our table. So we just click load on that top row in our window, and look at that. Our data from our original CSV file has been loaded to our table, and there's one table in our schema, so the schema contains the same amount of rows as the table. So that's how we create a table from a CSV file inside our schema.